Hey everyone, this is my first print using PETG filament with the ProForge 5, and I have to say I'm actually really impressed with the end result and the ease of printing. This is just a simple multicolor Gridfinity bin I customized with a blue ledge at the top for doing some color coding. And for this print I used some inexpensive basic Sunlu PETG filament that I had sitting around. Typically I'm not a fan of Sunlu. I've had issues in the past on my Chitty Plus 4 and usually have to do some calibrations to tune the printer for the filament. Additionally, the blue filament had moisture in it due to a leaking bag. I live on the Texas Gulf Coast where relative humidity inside my house is usually at least 55%. However, using the ProForge 5, I didn't do any special tuning or adjustments in the slicer. I literally selected the Sunlu PETG filament profile, loaded the filament, and clicked print. Even with the inexpensive and moist filament, the ProForge 5 produced great quality prints with ease and without any issues. I have to say the build and overall setup process for this printer was very challenging at times, to put it very mildly. However, I'm definitely pleased with the results.